In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack on your mobile device. If you're new to Slack, this quick guide will help you get comfortable with the basics so you can navigate the app, read messages, and stay connected with your team while you're on the go. To get started, download and install the Slack app from your device's app store. Make sure you're installing the official app, and once it finishes downloading, open it to begin setup. When the app opens, sign in using your email address and password, or use your workspace login link if that's how your organization gives you access. If you belong to more than one workspace, don't worry. Slack makes it easy to manage multiple spaces from the same app. After you log in, tap the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can view your channels and direct messages. Think of this as your main hub, where you can quickly see conversations and jump into the ones that matter most. If you need to access more options, swipe right from the left edge of your screen to open the main menu. From there, you can switch between different workspaces if you use Slack for more than one team or organization. This is especially helpful if you need to separate projects, departments, or clients. To read a conversation, tap on any channel or direct message. That will open the chat window so you can scroll through the discussion and catch up on what's been shared. Channels are usually used for group communication, while direct messages are better for one-on-one conversations or smaller private chats. When you're ready to reply, type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the paper airplane icon to send it. Keep your messages clear and concise, especially if you're responding from your phone. If you want to share something extra, tap the plus icon next to the text box. This allows you to attach a photo, upload a file, or take a quick picture directly from your device. It's a simple way to send updates without leaving the app. To start a private conversation with a specific team member, tap the Direct Messages tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can find existing private chats or begin a new one. You can also tap the U tab in the bottom right corner to update your status, set yourself as active or away, and manage your